noma kube yinto yokuthi uzibukela phansi. So embrace your greatness ukuze uNkulunkulu akwazi ukukufikisa lapho okufanele uye khona. Mfethu ngisemncane khona enye incident eyake yenzeka that I found to be embarrassing. Sase esikhaleni ngisemncane ubhuti wami wathi umesethintathintile kancane my late brother. Wathi umesethintathintile wazwakala sememeza phezulu mfethu attend omunye umcimbi lapha kababa omncane waseqala ethi hey umfana sekhaya ufundile ngeke nimenze lutho wathi bafana bami umfana sekhaya unswebhu angeke nimenze lutho ufundile mfethu yabo ngiyintwana lapho mfethu yabo and it was embarrassing ukuthi why ubhuti ekhuluma kanjena mfethu and then kwakhona ezinye insizwe ezayikhulile ezimbili zeza kumina mfethu zathi awusho insizwe ufunda uba yabo because now they wanna check ukuthi njoba kuthiwa wena ufundile ufunda uba yabo ngavesana ngalikhuluma iqiniso mfethu I think I was doing standard 4 I was like cabanga mfethu ufunda standard 4 there's somebody mfethu yes is proud of this guy mfana sekhaya ufundile yazi mfethu ngithe mangireacta kulento ngiyicabanga ngabona ukuthi iningi lethu si depressed ngezinto ezinegative ezashiwo kithi but lezi positive akukho neyodwa sinokubambelela kuyona siyakhohlwa ilezi zinto ezipositive ezashiwo ngathi sikhula bonke mfethu abantu kufanele ba embrace greatness kufanele ubambela ama elements of zinto ezipositive wena usamncane behlezi kuthiwa hey once into nayinika uzodwa noma nayinika umenzi izokwenzeka lonto lo embrace the thing there's something unique ngawe wena umuntu itask ethile uyakwazi ukuyenza you will become somebody great simply because wena umuntu owazi ukuthi umunikezwe something abaphathi bakho bavesana babheke eceleni because they don't have to worry about you that is the greatness uNkulunkulu ainstele kuwe wena futhi there's something ukuthi uma usukhulumile kuthiwa hayi mase kukhulume uvuma ningayiphikisa into ayishoyo because kuyaziwa ukuthi wena uma usukhulumile ukhuluma iqiniso that is the greatness God has instilled in you yazi mfethu ngithe mangibuka ngenza i-research around this thing kuthiwa mfethu abantu about 70% of the people bathi mabenconywa bangakwazi ukubamba i-compliment makuthiwa wena yazi uhlakaniphile wena wenza kahle wena you'll be something great abantu but they look aside because they don't know what to do now usungincomile ngizothini and khona abantu futhi nabaphathi emsebenzini bayakuncoma bathi wena there's something great about you yazi mfethu if I look back lento yayisho umfowethu I'm not claiming to be the smartest person or anything but one thing that is interesting ukuthi ubhuti wami ushone kungekho ngisho nencwadi eyodwa ngangibhalile ngangakaqali ngisho ukubhala incwadi today I've got 14 books there was something ayibona ngami ngaleso sikhathi engathi mina ngiyibuka ngalitshena ukuthi awu kanjani ngoba eclassini I'm not even number 1 why mfowethu hambe khuluma kanjena ngami but you need to reflect on izinto lize lithi iBhayibheli whatever that is good whatever that is noble zonke lezi zinto ezinhle mfethu zibambe emsebenzini osebenza kuwo yes baningi abantu abakuzondayo baningi abantu abakhuluma kabe ngawe but uma ucubungula futhi uzokwazi ukuthi khona abantu abaziyo ukuthi uma ngikwi project novuma leyo project izoba something great because there's something about this person embrace the thing mfethu kulula ukhala ngabantu abangakufuni but khona mfethu izinto uNkulunkulu ayifake kuwena igreatness yakhe izoba kuyo negotiator one of the best negotiations mfethu enziwe eBhayibhelini it's when uMoses kufanele ekhipha abantwana bakwaIsrael and uNkulunkulu umthatha azi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi unamalimi and one thing that interests me about the story uma uMoses ethi inkosi angeke ngikwazi ukuya lapha because nginamalimi uNkulunkulu akasho ukuthi okay woza lana letha ulimi lwakho I'm going to touch your tongue no hamba nayo le weakness but that greatness that is in you mfethu izokwazi ukuthi ikusize ufike uyenze lento yenza namhlanje ngithi mfethu hamba nayo iweakness onayo there are certain weaknesses mhlawumbe I tell people ukuthi nginamahloni but because I now speak on radio they don't believe that God is able to use even compensate even kuma weaknesses zakho lento ye greatness mfethu ngicela ukuyibeka futhi ngendlela ehlukene khona umuntu namhlanje ufana realize greatness yakhe ngendlela engajwayelekile uthi ufike office mfethu uthi wena nje ufuna ukuzenzela umsebenzi you are not stressing about ama promotion or anything ubona abantu around you bethuthumela why abantu bethuka mfethu is because of greatness yakho that's why abantu becabanga ukuthi uzothatha ama positions abo bebengeke babe threatened abantu makuthi wena you're just an average somebody simply because there's something that God has instilled in you that is the greatness mfethu ingakho abantu they are holding position by the information abafuna ukuyishare office why bengayishare now it's because there's something great ngawo today mfethu musukulwa nabantu ukuthi banomona uma abantu bebamba information beyigodla azi ukuthi bayigodla ngoba sebekubonile ukuthi wena there's something great ngawo wena ukakayiboni but bona sebekubonile mfethu yabo lento le embrace sengizoyiconclude mfethu kulento khona enye level you-embrace greatness mfethu yabo yabona khona abantu mfethu abathi mabepromote because of fear ne-inferiority bayibona ngathi hawu abaphathi bami njengoba sebenginikele promotion it's a trap bafuna ngifaile khona bezongixosha you know embrace the thing mfethu cast away that fear embrace greatness ukuthi umphathi umethi khona project engifuna ukunikeza yona ngisho ngathi mfethu awuzethi awunayo sure ask around singayenza kanjani lento mfethu ask abanye abantu abasebenza kwamanye ama-organizations bafethu umphathi wami unginika i-task kanjeni embrace greatness yini lena umphathi wakhe ayibukile kuwena you know let's look on the other extreme you know uDavide siyamthola eBhayibhelini uSawulu ufuna ukuthi afe umnikeze i-task ukuthi indoda ngifuna uyolanda ama-foreskins kuma-Philistines you know lona ngoba u-embrace greatness mfethu nakuba kuyi-trap ukuthi bafuna fail he goes into the battle and ubuya nawo ama-foreskins abawafunile why am I sharing that even if ufethu kuthiwa khona ama-positions onikezwe wona bafuna ufeyile God is still able ntango ukuthi akuthathe sebebhalile ama-boardroom ukuthi asimnikeze leya project khona ezofeyile bese siyamxosha ufike uyinele leyo project bangakholwa mfethu yeso kanti bakunikeza i-stepping stone to your promotion bigger than what they were giving you today mfethu embrace your greatness why kufanele embrace greatness because every battle that you're gonna face every battle that you're going to come across izodinga that greatness that is instilled in you i-battle ngizoyifacea mina njengo angeke izofuna ama-strength kavuma izofuna ama-strength uNkulunkulu anginikeze mina uGideon uma kuthiwa qhawela namandla khona i-strength uNkulunkulu ayisifake kuye umethi kuJoshua be strong and courageous there's something unique about that. He had to embrace his greatness. Today, as you say, office, embrace your greatness. Ngisho ngathi unemployed, embrace your greatness, because that's where your breakthrough is. God is love.
Tulani kumete waisha khona. Kuthiwa imihlaba ehlosokwane ehlobo siyale.
Iyona impela.